Bei einer elektronischen Armatur
For a battery-operated fitting, it is important to regularly check the battery status. In order to ensure, especially in public buildings, that you can wash your hands at all times. Grohe offers an easy way to manually check the battery status so that batteries can be reordered in good time. To check the battery status, cover around 80% of the sensor with your thumb. The diode lights up briefly and then flashes. Only when the light of the diode flickers, we take the thumb away. Now, a slow flashing follows, and this flashing we count. The battery status is indicated by these light pulses. 4 times flashing corresponds to over 60% capacity, 3 times flashing over 40%, 2 times flashing over 20%, and 1 times flashing below 20% of the battery capacity. After the battery capacity check, then the continuous run for thermal disinfection automatically begins. Caution, risk of scalding. If the temperature level of the fitting has been accidentally set to hot, to end the thermal disinfection prematurely, simply hold your finger thumb back to the lower part of the sensor. The diode then flashes 1 times long, after which the thumb can be removed from the sensor again and the continuous run is finished. If the battery is very low, the indicator light in the sensor will flash. In this case, simply unplug the cable. Replace the battery and reconnect the cable. Attention! It can only be connected in one position. In buildings such as airports, where the usage is very high, Grohe recommends that a power supply should be installed instead of a battery pack.